Hello and welcome to WPClick's YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to properly create a child theme. First of all, we would like to note that a child theme is an extension of parent theme. This means you can only create it as a duplicate of an existing WordPress theme. You can use a child theme for extending already created functions or adding new ones. Therefore, when the child theme is activated, every theme functionality stays the same and you should be able to keep on working as before. For more information on what a child theme is and why you should use it, check out the links in the description of this video. Let's move on to actually creating our child theme. We'll assume your WordPress site is live and uploaded to a web server and that you're already using your parent theme. Navigate to wp-content/themes and create a folder your theme name-child. Of course, instead of your theme name, you're going to use your theme's actual name here. Next, you'll need to add 3 more core files, each of the different type. Go to a text editor of your choice and create functions.php and style CSS files. In the style CSS file, you'll give your child theme a heading with an appropriate description. The fields are pretty self-explanatory. And in functions.php file, you'll call your style sheet using WordPress default wp-enq-scripts function. This function registers your child theme style and performs an action to run it. Another thing you need is a thumbnail preview of your child theme. That is the third file mentioned above in case you're wondering. Simply go to any photo editor and capture a screenshot of your theme. Name it screenshot.png. Make sure you don't create a JPEG image. Alternatively, you can copy the screenshot PNG from the parent theme and paste it in your child folder. That will be all when it comes to creating your child theme. You should now be able to add custom functions and styles for your active theme, and you'll do that without modifying the existing code. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.